So the report said that Dwyane Wade is considering joining the Lakers and going back to Miami if bought out by the Bulls. Now this is interesting because LeBron James's camp, or the people around LeBron James, they said that they expect Dwyane Wade to join the Cavaliers if bought out by the Bulls. But Dwyane Wade's associate has been telling people that Miami and Los Angeles are also destinations that Dwyane Wade wants to join. Now, I mean, this makes a lot of sense. I mean, everyone is saying that LeBron James is gonna leave the Cleveland Cavaliers and join the Lakers. So I understand why Dwyane Wade would be considering joining the Lakers. But Dwyane Wade himself once said that he would think about joining the Cavaliers as well because his best friend LeBron James is on the Cavs. But with everyone speculating that LeBron James is gonna leave the Cavs and join the Lakers when he's a free agent in the summer of 2018, of course Dwyane Wade would want to join LeBron James on the Los Angeles Lakers if LeBron James were to leave the Cavs and join the Lakers. And of course, I'm pretty sure that LeBron James and Dwyane Wade talked about them joining the Lakers because they're such best friends. I think that Dwyane Wade might have called LeBron James saying, "Hey yo, if I get bought out by the Bulls, I might want to join the Cavs." And LeBron James most likely told Dwyane Wade, "I may not be here next year, I might be on the Lakers or wherever, or even the Heat. LeBron James might go back to the Heat and assemble a super team over there. We don't know." So I understand Dwyane Wade wanting to join the Cavaliers and the Lakers because LeBron James right now is on the Cavs and he's rumored to be on the Lakers. But what I don't understand is Miami Heat. If Dwyane Wade goes back to Miami, it would only be to retire in Miami, not to win. Because Dwyane Wade is Miami, Miami's Wade County, and the way the Miami Heat let Dwyane Wade go was not good because Dwyane Wade is Miami, he's their franchise player. Dwyane Wade will always be known as the greatest Miami Heat player ever. LeBron James will always be known as the greatest Cavalier player ever. Like, imagine if the Lakers had let Kobe Bryant go because they didn't want to pay him enough money that he wanted. That's insane. That's your franchise player. You don't let him walk out like that. You don't treat someone that has brought you 3 championships and that has been loyal to you. You don't treat him like that because the Miami Heat weren't willing to pay Dwyane Wade an extra $4 to $10 million, I think. But of course, they give Hassan Whiteside more than Dwyane Wade, and reportedly Hassan Whiteside was willing to give up some money to keep Dwyane Wade, and the Miami Heat said no, and they let Dwyane Wade go. But man, we'll see what happens. Tell me in the comment section, where do you think Dwyane Wade is gonna end up? In Cleveland with LeBron James, or in LA with LeBron James if LeBron James joins the Lakers? Or might Dwyane Wade go back to Miami to end his career? Because it would be a shame if Dwyane Wade retired anywhere else that's not Miami. But tell me what you guys think in the comment section, and I'm out.